Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner, and the second bar is connected with the timer. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific option. We've got 3 of them, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately notified inside the shutter button, so simply tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course, if you want to, you can turn off the timer. Just tap on the 3 dots icon and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.